welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and welcome to the family. So for today, I will be showing you my lazy way of doing my box braids. I haven't done it in such a long time because obviously it takes such a long time to do. It would take me literally like 4 to 5 hours doing it myself. I usually do a lot across my whole head. I will insert some pictures so you can see, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do a few of them, and also because I haven't been to the beauty store, so I gotta manage with what I already have. Yeah. I usually do my hair in the bathroom because I have 2 mirrors there and it's just easier for me to see the back of my head. But since I'm doing it in front of the camera, it's gonna be very challenging. So please bear with me. I might show you the front so you could get a good example, good idea. So if that's something you're interested in, please keep on watching. All right, my beautiful people, so this is what I have for hair. So since I only bought 2 of these, I'm thinking of putting it in the front. This is I'm guessing it's 1B on the top, but it's like an ombre. So all the way at the bottom, it's purple. So I think that would look good like right here, so that the purple, you can see it in the front. So that's the plan for these 2. And then I have the Janet collection in 1B, Perm Yaki. So this one's actually longer, I want to say, than the other one, so I might use this one in the back so that, you know, I get that length in there. Okay, so the other one that I have is the Expression one. This one's also 1B, I want to say. Oh no, this is a 2. I'm guessing it's just a shade lighter than the 1B. I think it should be fine because my hair is like a blend of black and brown, so it's not going to be like a big difference, but I normally go for a 1B. So yeah, I usually get like a pack of 3 like this, only because like I said, I have so much hair and it just makes my life so much easier. This one's not as long as I would have hoped it would be. Sorry if you hear that in the background, that's my cat rolling himself in my hair right now in all the packets. I'm gonna start with wetting my hair. The reason why I like working with my hair wet is because it's crazy to tame my hair. So when it's wet, it's just so much more manageable. I'm running out of water. Honey, get it together over here. Not soaking wet now, okay? Just a little damp. And I think I'm almost there. Okay, I definitely think I need more water, but I'm too lazy to get up. Am I gonna make it? Alright, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, my hair is nice and wet. And it would be smart for you to incorporate, like obviously this would be a protective hairstyle and your hair is going to be underneath the hair, so make sure your hair is very moisturized. Like I said in my other video, I used the Proteína de Perla. That is very moisturizing and I know my hair loves it, so I put in a little of that. And then now I'm going to put in some coconut oil because this thing is the best. All over my hair, especially the tips. I hate when it's all clumpy like that and it's not melted. This makes it so much messier. And then a little more just for the tips. Okay, so basically what you need is hair.
Rubber bands.
You could actually get this over at CVS or your local beauty supplies. You can get this anywhere.
And edge control.
So that when you do split each section, you want to like dab a little of that edge control so that all those little flyaways stay in place. So I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature argan oil. It's alright. It's not my best one. I usually use the beeswax one, but I actually ran out. And now I'm stuck with this one. So let's get into this video, girl. It's already split in the middle. Ew. I don't know what that was. Go ahead and make that line. For the front, we'll make it come like that into a perfect square. This right here is a little sloppy, so I'm gonna have to fix that. That's just because of my baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it. I normally start at the bottom and work my way up. But just for this video, I'm gonna be doing it ass backwards. Dab my finger into some edge control and I'm just gonna apply it. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and add a rubber band. I like going around a couple times just to make sure it's nice and secured. And there you go. That's the first one. 500 more to go. Bring that line down behind the ear. Honestly, this whole quarantine life has made me very chill, and I'm just going with the flow. I'm not going for perfection, just making sure everything's somewhat symmetrical. That is the goal. Okay, so we got those down. So now I'm gonna repeat the same step and do it over here. Ugh, gross. So here I'm just repeating the same steps until I cover my whole entire head. I'm gonna save y'all some time because I know this is boring, so I'm just gonna fast forward. So this is how the back looks like. Not bad, right? I know it's not perfect, but like I said, I'm not aiming for perfection. Just want it to all align somewhat together. Alright guys, so we're almost done. I only need 4 more sections to do, and now I'm going to show you how I do my box braids. So we're going to leave these 2 for last because like I said, I want to do the purple. So this is a lot of hair, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little chunk out of here because I do want to keep the thickness. I'll put this one aside, and we're going to work with this hair. So what I do is I try to wrap the hair with my hair and the rubber band, put it on the top, and then my hair, I'm just going to bring that forward and bring this underneath. And you're going to want to pull your natural hair tight with the fake hair. Make sure it stays tight because that's how it's going to stay in place. And then this one is going to go under this one right here. That. And that's how you start braiding. Keep on repeating the same moves over and over again. So now, you might ask, what do I do now with this little piece that's hanging right here? Because you can't braid that, right? So what you're going to do is grab some of this hair right here, split it, and you're just going to share that hair with your natural hair. And you're just going to keep on braiding it. So if you find that one is thinner than the rest, just keep doing that. Just keep sharing the hair. Okay, so now here, this is where we're at right now. It's gonna be a little shorter and I want it longer. That piece that we set apart, that's where that's gonna come in handy, and you're just gonna blend that in with the rest of your hair. So I'm just gonna put it right in between, like that, and just braid that in with the rest of the hair. And it's okay if you don't get it on your first try, that's why you keep practicing. I sure didn't get it on my first try. Little hair tie. And voila! 1 down, 3 more to go. For this one, we're just gonna use the purple ombre, and we're done. Oh my god! Look at this color! It's so pretty! So we're basically just doing the same thing. This one's actually a perfect density, so I'm not gonna separate anything, and it's pretty long, so I'm not worried about the length either. I know it's a little complicated, but we're gonna do this, okay? And you could always rewind the video if you wanna keep practicing. Over, pop my natural hair out. Yeah, bring this one underneath. Bring this one underneath the other. Yo, this braid is popping. What? Now I wish I did the rest of my hair like this. This is bomb. Oh, shit. Okay, so the reason why I tie the ends is because I'm gonna boil hot water and then dip them in there so that it could stay, and then I'll cut the ties. Last one, and we're done. And we're done. This is how we're looking. Show you the back. Big chunky braids. Alright, so now that my hair is done, I'm gonna do my baby hairs because they're looking a little crazy. Okay, you guys, so that concludes this video. I love my hair. I am loving the purple. It is so me. Yeah, so that's how I do my box braids. I know I have some like flyaways. I'll probably just cut that out. But other than that, I'm so happy with it. Comment down below if you like this look. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Bye!